Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best welder for home use you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welder for home use in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Weld Pro Multi-Process Welder. The new multiprocessor welders, but it does it all a little better and gives the operator a lot of choices with no confusion. It is easier to use as the welding parameters are clearly defined and 10% above or below those selections are easy to access. This is true for selection of volts and induction. This makes MIG welding easy and beautifully done on the first try. All of the accessories MIG gun, ground clamp, TIG gun, flow meter and spool gun are of excellent quality. MIG 200 GDS V3-in-1 multi-process dual voltage synergic welder is designed for hardware, decoration, car modification, equipment and factory maintenance. The IGT inverter technology provides high power in a light, compact unit 30 pounds. These units are capable of performing MIG, lift TIG and stick welding equally well at maximum 200 amp output. The Model 200 is also capable of true lift TIG welding as well as stick welding and aluminum welding with the optional spool gun. The MIG 200 is an intuitive synergically designed MIG or flux core welding machine. Dual digital display, easy to read and set amperage and wire speed for repeatable welds every time. For details, let's watch more. Our second best welder for home use is Deco Pro MMA Welder. The welds were strong, the rod flowed evenly, starting the arc was fantastically easy and I'm telling you this little jewel is a welding beast. The best part is the thing weighs nothing and runs on 110 volts. High intensity body has structural strength and durable characteristics, with multiple solid frame of the solid handle, easy to get and store, suitable for daily and professional work and other scenes. High performance fully mute fan motor with instant cooling function. Promote body heat dissipation. The synchronous control system provides protection mechanisms. Voltage accurately matches and adjusts the current to ensure a stable current output, prevents overload conditions, and the multiple processing protection mechanism improves welding efficiency and ensures your safety. The machine is equipped with high efficiency and low-cost cutting technology, can be widely used in automobile manufacturing, plumbing work, metal processing, strict construction work, site work, high-quality welding and thin material precision welding. Powerful welder capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel and cast iron. IGBT power device with unique control mode improves the reliability of welding machine. This welder features a easy carrying handle, compact design, Easy for translation and storage. Very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Forney Easy Weld 261 Welder. I love it for what it is. Puts down great welds. But the wire feeder motor has crapped out after about half a spool of wire. A little disappointed. But I will fix it and continue to use. I'm a novice welder, done a little here and there as a mechanic for the last 15 years. Used some very expensive welders which made it easy. I wasn't expecting much from this thing, but it blew me away. I put down some great welds with it on my first little project. I definitely got the settings and a good feel for it down by the end. Highly recommend this unit. The Forney 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first-time welders up to avid users. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. Easy to use 140 FCI MIG machine uses 0.30 flux core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Lightweight 19 pounds easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is PrimeWeld Pilot Arc Welder. Easy to set up and simple to use. It comes with one permanently attached. I was expecting a twist lock that I could disassemble and use the plug on my old welder. It comes with a 6-50 and the socket in my garage is a 14-50. Well, luckily the welder comes with an adapter. That adapter and another one I had, I was good to go. The PrimeWeld CT520DP offers a multi-purpose unit that provides a variety of welding and cutting functions. The PrimeWeld CT520DP combines plasma cutting, TIG/stick welding and pilot arc welding functions in one convenient and versatile unit. It includes a 50A plasma cutter, 200A TIG welder and 200A stick welder. This machine can cut stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, cobalt, nickel alloys, copper magnesium, cast iron and more. It includes soft switching technology and a full bridge design, ensuring longer life and allowing for stable arcs at the lowest temperatures. Multi-purpose welding machine can cut all types of metals up to half foot thick with a 50 amp plasma cutting function. Versatile welding, cutting machine, cuts many metals including stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, cobalt, nickel alloys, and cast iron. Includes soft switching technology and full bridge design for a longer life and stable arcs at low temperatures. Last in our best welder for home use list is S7 Welding Machine. Excellent little welder. It will do electrodes from 3x32 to 1x8 inch with ease. I used one rod after another and so on, and it just keeps performing. Great penetration and impeccable duty cycle, haven't had a overheating issue of any kind yet. The only downside I really had was the ground clamp and the electrode holder were pretty short, but they are totally interchangeable. Welder is very good, very small, light, but still welds extremely well. Whole day welding is no problem, energy saving design. It is applicable for welding all kinds of ferrous metals such as carbon steel, medium carbon steel and alloy steel amongst others. Portable size but big power, it's not just a welding machine but a work of art. Suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel and other metal materials. Arc welding machine is easy to use, beginner can also operate well. Overheating protection, over voltage protection, over current protection. The welding voltage can be continue adjusting to exactly match welding current.